Alright, so I'm taking apart my ix12. I broke this switch. First you want to take the battery out of it quite naturally. Hang tight. We're going to disconnect the battery, pull it out, and show you. Alright, so battery is out. You got 2, 4. You don't have to take these right here off for the handle, because you know there's an antenna running in here, so you don't got to take it out. But all the screws are different, so start from here. These two, these two, these two, and I think, yeah, that's it. Let me go and get these screws out, and I'll be right back. So once you get screws out, take your screwdriver. Right, it's easy, like so. Now, once you get in here, the antenna here. Comes up. So from up here. Unplug. 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 Like so. Easy breezy. So now I can fix this broken switch that I broke today and got cut in the process. Thanks for looking.